Need to fix Grok Image not working problem? Then in today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. First thing first, you have to check whether the server of Grok AI is down or not. So move into Safari and search for Grok AI outage. Head over to any of the site. Let me move into this one for now. Check whether the server is down or not. Sometimes the server might be down and it might be the reason that you're facing the issue. In this case, simply wait for the server to get fixed. If not, try checking out whether you are connected to stable internet connection or not. If not, forget the password and then rejoin it, or else you can also use cellular data. Once the issue of internet has been fixed, now move into settings. Inside settings, head over to general. Move into iPhone storage. Once you are in this page, search for Grok AI app. Once found, click on it and tap on Offload app. Once again, click on Offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should also fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.